staring into the void of a concrete jungle for way too long. Girl, we gotta get out of here.
everyone, and welcome to the nature island of Dominica. A little far from my usual setting all the way up in Canada. I'm actually here for a month and a half. I'm not usually here for this long, but I haven't been back in 8 years. We used to come every year, but the last time I was here, Hurricane Maria came through not 2 days after our plane took off. And then after that, I had school, and then after that, there was the pandemic, and then I had work, and then literally anything and everything that you can think of to keep us, or specifically me, from coming back here. Now, we just got back from the Emerald Pool, and they had a whole bunch of stalls out front, about 5 or 6. They had a pretty good price. I couldn't resist, so I got a bunch of goodies to give my family for Christmas, so I thought I'd do a little haul. First, we got this cap for my grandpa. It's got nice embroidery and the national bird. Got 2 beautiful purses. So it's got Dominica embroidered on it, and then all of these like designs are all embroidered. It's gorgeous. 20 Eastern Caribbean dollars, EC dollars, which is nothing. And then this was the one that tempted me first. I was like, are you joking? For that price, you're selling me this? And it's got like a zip and everything. This wooden bookmark, you can't really see. Wait, hold on. It's got a sick cutout there for my grandpa. I was gonna get him a bag as well, but I don't know why I didn't. For my entire friend group, for our blue fanatic, for our local cryptid. One of the boys, we got the like Rasta beads. For our nurse, we've got this pink one. For me, I got this sort of like all colors one. I don't know, it seemed fitting for me. For the other guy in our friend group.